We're making lemon cake, but not just any lemon loaf cake. We're making pink lemon loaf cake. The first step of this recipe is creaming your butter and sugar. Now, creaming is a term we use a lot in recipes. What it actually means, it's combining the sugar with the butter with agitation, and during that process, you're gonna get air into that mixture. And then that air that's in your butter sugar mixture ends up in your cake. And that gives you light, fluffy, baked goodness. When I make a lemon loaf cake, I need to know that there's lemon in there. So we're gonna go with the lemon zest and the lemon juice. And then it's time for our dry ingredients. This is all about that lightness and airiness, so we are gonna sieve the flour and baking powder together. Last ingredient to go in is our milk. We went pink, we got beetroot powder from Woolies. We're gonna alternate batters, starting with the plain lemon batter, pink lemon batter. And the idea is we're gonna keep on doing that to fill our cake tin. At the end, we're gonna swirl it with our skewer to get a slightly marbled effect in the cake. But now, into the oven, 35 minutes. When it comes out, we're gonna decorate it with a beautiful drizzle and some candied lemon peels. The icing, drizzle, and the lemons only go on the cake once the cake is completely cooled. And if you think this is beautiful, we haven't even sliced into it yet.